I will steal the first question. At the zoo, what is your favorite animal? I steal the easy question. Questions board game. It is important for students to practice asking and answering questions in English. To make it easier, here is a questions board game. Learners take turns asking questions. If they are a group of 4, one rolls a die to land on a topic, and the other 3 have to formulate and ask them questions. Make sure to review how to make questions by looking at who, what, where, why, when, how much, and so on. We'll roll the dice, okay? Now, let's say, for example, I throw 3. 1, 2, 3. Pets. Now, each person has to ask me a question about pets. So, for example, when did you get a pet? Why do you want a pet? Where did you see a pet? What pet do you want? Who do you know with a pet? How much does a pet cost? How long have you had a pet? What's your pet's name? Or any questions. Remember to tell them to take notes because you will ask them questions about their partners during feedback. Vacation. Okay, so I can ask, when is your next vacation? When is your next vacation?
July 22.
22nd?
Yes.
So it starts July 22nd?
Where will you go in vacation?
Very nice. Where will you go during the vacation?
I have vacation plan.
Okay. That makes it difficult for her.
How long is vacation?
I don't know.
Do you know how long it is? So it's July 22nd until August 31st?
August
30? 11? 17? Ah, okay. So you can say it's until August 17th.
What? Shopping is vacation.
Will you do during the vacation?
I don't know. I don't like shopping.
Oh, really? Is there something you want to buy? Is there anything you want to buy? If I gave you 100,000 won, so shipmannen, I gave you shipmannen, what would you buy?
House.
No, it's just for 100,000 won.
Mini house.
Okay, mini house.